Great! In the previous lecture I showed you how a JSON file looks like, and in this lecture I'll go ahead and add that JSON file to the code. Remember, I provided you with the JSON file in the previous lecture. You could download it from the lecture resources. And so this GeoJson method gets a data attribute which is equal to the file object of the JSON data. So basically you need to create a Python file object which you can create with open. Remember, open is a classic Python method for creating file objects. So there goes the path of the file. This happens to be in the same directory with my map1.py script, so I'm just passing world.json. And basically you're opening it in read mode, and I'll leave it like that for now. Save, execute. I think we'll get an error here. Yeah, we need to add an encoding parameter there, as suggested by the error message. So that goes inside the open method. Equals to UTF-8 sig. Save again, go and execute. Reload. And yep, we have the polygons displayed on the map. So that was quite easy to do. And something you should know is that you can also add points through GeoJson. So in this case we added polygons, but that JSON file could also have lines or could also have points in its attributes. So, this one, we had an attribute that was stating these are multi-polygons, but this could be points or lines. And in that case, Folium will display those features depending on this type attribute in here. Of course, you'd also have the coordinates attribute with the coordinates of the line, so the points where the line breaks and turn. And in the case of points, you'd have pairs of coordinates here. So I hope you get the idea. That was about this lecture. In the next lecture, I'll show you how to create a choropleth map, which is a map that uses coloring of areas to represent features. In this particular case, what we'll do is we will have these polygons with different colors to represent the population of the world for each country. We'll do that in the next lecture. See you.